The Man in the Moon, written by English Bishop Francis Godwin in 1602, describes the journey of Domingo Gonsales, who flies to the moon in a chariot towed by moon geese. Moon geese are migration birds that annually travel between Earth and Moon.
What happened to the moon geese in the 21st century? Does this very special species still exist? And if so, do they still know about their migration pattern or have they been stranded?
It's not possible to imagine what swiftness and celerity really have.
The moon goose colony is dedicated to the raising of a group of young moon geese in order to prepare them for the natural annual migration flights between Earth and Moon. To effectively do so, the geese need to be imprinted. Imprinting describes a psychological and behavioral process that happens through direct contact in the first phase of a young animal's life. Imprinted animals accept the imprinters as their parents. Successful imprinters are not only able to teach the goslings where to sleep and to walk, what to eat, but also to fly, where to fly and how to get there. The V. After 9 months of strenuous but successful training, we are back to the MGC home base, ready to start the next stage of the experiment.
Alexander Smoleevsky became the first men to walk on the Martian surface. And even though it is a simulation, this is quite an important experiment for space travel.
An analogue is a location that simulates extraterrestrial conditions on Earth for training and test purposes. It builds the first essential step to test, train and prepare birds and other species for the daring psychological and physical conditions of space travel. A lunar habitat and landscape containing the experiment is installed, and moon geese are now living and working there for the next several months.
Thing other than the ant, as easily and quietly as a fish in the middle of the water, yet forcing themselves never so little. It is not possible to imagine what swiftness and celerity really have.
It will be a long-term mission. The first unmanned flight to the Moon will take place in 2027 and the first manned flight in 2038.
You shall see men to fly from place to place in the air. You shall be able, without any moving or traveling of any creature, to send messages in an instant, many miles off, and receive answers again immediately. You shall be able to declare your mind presently unto your friend, being in some private and remote place of a populous city, with a number of such like things, but that which far surpasseth all the rest, you shall have noticed of a new world, of many most rare and incredible secrets of nature that all the philosophers of former ages could never so much as dream of.